What's going on, YouTube? Today we're going to go and I'm getting Frontier wireless fiber internet installed. It's supposed to be 1 gig upload and 1 gig download. So I'm sick of it taking forever to upload YouTube videos and everything else. Not to mention the Frontier is about $20-30 a month cheaper than Spectrum or Bright House or whatever they're calling it now. So before he gets here, we're going to run a speed test. And I pay for 300, and this is all I get. 8180, whatever, download speed. And for upload speed, this is actually surprisingly good. Normally it's about 10 or 15 for upload speed, but supposedly the Frontier internet is going to be drastically faster. So we're going to see. I mean, I've got a pretty good router. So we're going to see what it actually winds up being and go from there. So after he hooks it up, we're going to run this test again and see if it's actually any good. And then after I've used it for a couple days, then I'm going to give you my final review on it. And dude's here, very timely, on time. I signed up for it yesterday evening, and here he is today. It is 2 o'clock. 2:04, so he's like ahead of schedule, and we'll see how long it takes him to get all hooked up and ready to go. Okay, so dude's up on his bucket truck. He's hooking up the fiber straight to the pole. He's got to run it to the corner of my house right here, and then I'm assuming he'll go from there, run it underneath here just like the Spectrum cable line is. But I want him to run it to the corner because I'm going to take and extend this patio cover off that way and build a solar roof over here. That's going to be in the upcoming video to add to my solar system. But anyhow, so far so good. We'll see how this works out. Okay, he's got the new router hooked up. I had him run it through up there and put it in here. And honestly, I probably shouldn't have, but I wanted it to where I could still hook up my stuff the way it was before. Anyhow, let's see. Now the time is 4 o'clock on the nose. So here in a minute, once it's done updating, we'll be able to test the speed. Alright, now that I got my computer hooked up to the right Wi-Fi, I think. I still have the other system still working at the moment, so anyhow, run speed test. Well, it's only like over 300. Holy crap! Upload speeds above 400 megabits per second. Are you freaking kidding me? That is insane. It's like 200 times faster upload speeds. OMG. That's insane. So, anyhow, guys, Frontier Internet, pretty sweet. Let me show you some of the tech that comes with this. But anyhow, this is their router for their fiber. This is their little fiber cable as compared to the coaxial cable and the crappy modem. This is their Eero 6 mesh unit, which this communicates with this guy, and this is what gives you your Wi-Fi. From here I have my Ethernet hooked up to my Wi-Fi because everything's still on that, and I didn't want to be completely without all that crap for right now. So yeah, so I got all that stuff. Now let's go in here to the laundry room. And in here, I went and this is the repeater I was using before. Let's shut this off. This is the repeater I was using before to get my Wi-Fi out to my garage so I could listen to Alexa and whatnot out there. This is the new piece. This is part of their mesh. So this is basically a Wi-Fi extender that hooks to the other one in the other room and extends the Wi-Fi out. So I can take and put this anywhere. I just put it over here. I think I'm actually going to put it right here in the window. Wish this, I'm gonna put it right here in the window. I wish this thing had a bracket or something on it, but anyhow, I'm just gonna set it right like that for right now, and that'll give my Wi-Fi out to my garage. And I've got to go around and I've got to go and basically redo the internet on everything to get it set up to the new network, which kind of sucks. But for right now, I am super impressed with the speed. That is just absolutely insane. I can't imagine having freaking 372, which is higher than it's ever been, and 440, which, yeah, that is just insane. But he told me if I go and take and hook my laptop directly into the router on the Wi-Fi, it'll be a lot faster. And once this thing gets done doing its updates and stuff tonight, I'll see the speeds pick up as well. So anyhow, super happy with that. I said I'm probably gonna go and take and move that Wi-Fi extender to my bedroom and put it on my desk, and that way I can just plug my laptop straight into it, and I'll have my laptop running straight off Ethernet and then see how much faster it is. As a matter of fact, I think I'll do that right now. I'll just get a cable, plug into that one, and run it and just see what I get. Alright guys, well, it's been a week. Frontier Internet is freaking insane. I love it. It's fast, it works great, it uploads great, just over the Wi-Fi. But I was not getting the numbers that I was expecting I should get. So I contacted Frontier. They told me go to their test website because it's actually fast enough to handle the actual test. The one I was using isn't really fast enough to handle the test, so you're not getting a real accurate reading. So anyhow, I went to theirs. I got the mesh thing plugged in here, plugged in Ethernet here. I just ran this test, but let's run it again just so you guys can see. Check this out. And this is actually technically still over Wi-Fi because the Wi-Fi is actually connecting from the mesh unit that's hooked to the modem over Wi-Fi to this mesh unit. So this is like still over Wi-Fi. But look at the download and upload speeds. That is just unreal. I mean, it's still not quite as fast as it ought to be, but you also got to remember I have 60 plus devices, like 15 Ring cameras. Everything in my house is automated. There's at&t Alexa units in here. You know, so all that takes up your bandwidth, and so that's what's going to be slowing down my download speed. Or else, I mean, if I went and shut all that stuff off and ran just this test, I'm sure I would get over 900. So anyhow, totally worth the money. Absolutely no issues, no problems losing connection, nothing. It's been a couple weeks or so now, whatever, and it's just working absolutely flawlessly. I would highly recommend it to anybody. You can message me on my Facebook or whatever, and I actually have a referral program that I got signed up for where I can sign you up. I need a lot of your personal information, so I understand if you don't feel comfortable doing that. It's not just as easy as a promo code, but name, address, phone number, email address. I can sign you up, and after you've signed up for it and you've used it for 60 days, you get a $100 gift card on their deal, and I get a $100 gift card on a deal. So anyhow, if you're interested in it, you want to do it, and you want to make an extra $100, let me know. Contact me. I will promise I will not sell your information to anybody besides Frontier. And as soon as I'm done uploading it, I will delete your information. But I totally understand with all the scams out there if you guys don't want to do it. But just the same, if this was helpful at all, if you'd like, comment, and subscribe at the bottom, I really appreciate it. Anyhow, thanks a lot. SoCal Sniper signing out. See you next time. Bam. Okay, YouTube. So I just got done editing and rendering my YouTube video this week. So I'm going to be uploading it to YouTube here in a minute, and I want to test out the upload of the new Frontier wireless internet. So hover over that. 1.25 gigabyte video. It's a 12-minute video on a solar charger that I made for my Ring camera. So anyhow, I'm going to get that ready to upload, and we'll see how long it takes. Okay. Sorry, I don't do all the screen capture and all that stuff, but I mean, you guys still get the idea. Alright, select files. Let's see here, YouTube edits, DIY solar charger, and there's our video. Open. Upload. 4 minutes left. 3 minutes left. Are you freaking kidding? 3-minute upload. Holy shit. That's insane. You're talking something that would have taken over an hour before on the old system. Like well over an hour. So, yeah, that's incredibly impressive upload speed. It's already 26% uploaded in a little bit of time. This thing's going to be done in like a minute. Wow. That's just absolutely nuts. Absolutely insane. And I mean, I could speed it up by turning my computer up and putting the turbo mode on, but then the fans are going to kick on. It's going to get all loud and stuff. So I want to do that. But yeah, just FYI, this is definitely the way to go. All right. I got to get back to work on this, but even though I'm not getting everything that Frontier Wireless said I was going to get, I'm still very impressed with what I'm getting. And like I say, I could have went and plugged this directly into the router, but I mean, honestly, it's working so well just like this. I mean, this is such an amazing upgrade from what I had before. I mean, look at that. I'm already 70%. I mean, how crazy is that? I mean, you guys are literally watching this in real time. 75, 76% uploaded. And I mean, this is a 4K video, 60 frames per second video. It's an MP4. I mean, it's not even like a fast upload like video, and it's just screaming. I mean, literally, if I talk for another couple sentences, this thing's going to be completely uploaded. I mean, we're at 91, 92, 93%. This is just, wow. What would have taken an hour is done uploading right now. Now, I mean, it's still going to take them forever to render and all the other kind of stuff, but that gives me time to do all my other crap I have to do on this end to get these videos out to you guys. So I'm going to get to work on that. And, you know, this video, I mean, if you want to see it, there it is. It's another cool video on my YouTube channel. And but yeah, I'm more or less happy with it. I did call them and kind of complain about the speeds and whatnot, and like as I'm bitching at them about it, I go and run another speed test with this thing hooked up, and I got, you know, 968, 999, you know, speed out of it wired up. So I mean, depending on the time of day and, you know, what unicorns are aligned or whatever, you can get the 1 gig, but still definitely way fast enough. I mean, I'm super happy. I mean, see, now it's processing up to 4K. That's going to take, you know, 2 hours for it to process everything up to 4K, but whatever, who cares about all that? My part of it was done in literally while I was recording this video. That's awesome. Anyhow, SoCal Sniper signing off. That's my review on Frontier Internet. Is it everything it's cracked up to be? No, but is it like 150%, 1000% better than freaking Bright House? Heck yeah. I mean, I really like it. Not to mention, I've got the repeater from them, the mesh system. I don't even have to run any of my repeaters or anything anymore to get out to my garage. And my garage internet's working good. All my cameras are working good. Everything's working great. And I mean, that might be part of the reason why this thing is not running as fast, yada, 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 is because there's like 60 something devices running off Wi-Fi right now. So, you know, I mean, I couldn't even tell you how many switches and cameras and lights and da 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 is all hooked up to it. And that may be the reason behind it. I don't know. But anyhow, thank you guys for watching. And if there's if I wind up with a promo code or anything like that for it, it'll be down in the description. Otherwise, whatever, there'll be a clicky down there. But I appreciate you guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more. See you guys next time. SoCal Sniper sign out.